Mochie there, so Tony there. Jamaica Good Life, check out the fans them. How long you guys been fans? How long you been fans?
My God have mercy.
Everyone leaving behind.
From here before you go start.
4 years ago.
Long time, man. Long time, man. But me send you one message. 2020, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I watched it long before that.
Tony, how long you been a fan of Jamaica Good Life?
How long? 3 or 4 years.
You guys watched like 500 videos.
Wallpaper video, every video.
Wow.
Before even knew you, man.
Even when you used to do the live, they might in the kitchen, one dark place or talk. We can make out a way there, but you're in a somewhere to talk. I remember one
You used to
time.
do them, Randy, you were walking in the country, and you'd be doing this in real life.
Talking to the cows.
Then you stop and you talk. The woman, single mother, I think, and you put a number up so she can get some phone credit. I sent it to her.
What do you say, yeah?
I went on and got a digital app and then boop, sent her some phone credit. No message, no nothing, just a phone credit. There you go. And then you spoke to that lovely
Well, thank you guys for coming out.
ex-teacher,
Love you guys.
the retired school teacher, the 90-year-old.
Yeah, man, I love that lady. What's her name, Miss
Doris.
Miss Doris? We love you.
Lovely, lovely lady.
We love your little talk. And when you come on the little outside of the near the Doomsday one tree, fruit tree. Doomsday tree, I think I Doomsday tree.
Star.
Yeah.
Star food.
Star fruit. I would like when you come out of the back door and look up to the one little house up at the top there. And your little front step at the veranda. I wouldn't know about you, because you go to church on Sunday.
And the dog that won't shut up.
I would know about your son too.
So you guys been watching.
Yeah, man. Jamaica
Wow.
Good Life every time.
What's unique about the channel?
We like your voice.
You like my voice?
That's the
Very
first thing.
soothing,
Is it?
very relaxing and very
Yeah, we like
easy
your
to
voice.
listen to.
That's why the stressful people like to come check me. Randy will relax you. If you're stressed out, go see him. He calm.
We like Randy voice a lot.
Okay, come more time when you see me.
No,
No, when I see you, we are
it
your
was,
voice.
I don't know, I think I probably watched 20 videos before I ever saw you. And I thought, is that him or not? Or is that just someone else who's got it there?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Wow, so I keep you company, make Jamaica look nice. People you see it? These are people that love me.
We follow him go all a man too.
You see how when you don't love me out the road, there's people who love me.
Straight from Australia.
All the way from Australia, them come to see me, you know.
I know, but I thinking about Reporter Road, you know. We're at his house, we stay at his house.
They're staying at my house too. So you know, see how big things are going on the land.
Big things are going on.
I'm celebrating there now. Bar tough, we don't say bartender. No man no tender around here. Listen man, bar tough.
No, when you come to Pier 1, when you come to Moby, you have to come to Pier 1. Really?
For the bar toughians. They call bar toughians because no tender around here so. No bartender around here so. You see me where the girls they blend around here so. Yeah, yeah. And then I'm over here them say, yeah, this is Montego Bay. Them call it Montego Bay. This is how we stay. Every night, Tony, and every day. Positivity, keep your circle small and stay in your circle. That's what I deal with. Glad someone there.
Small, tight circle.
Yes.
No negativity.
No. Supreme positivity. Don't Jamaica Good Life. We have to live up to the brand.
Of course, man.
Absolutely.
So everything around me is kind of actually good, you know.
And guys,
Even when them drive bad, me say, look when them go drive bad, you know.
be on the lookout for Randy's book. He will list it in the description. Very
Yeah,
soon.
man. Book out the
He has
outer
more than
road.
one book out. I think 3
Forward.
books.
Yes, forwarding. I have to stay positive. And then we have enough things that she has a recipe book.
Yeah.
Give the channel name.
Oh, my channel is Michie Boo and Michie Travel. So MICHIE space BOO, MICHIE space travel.
It's the #1 juicer in the world. You know?
Yeah, man.
All the boys and the girls. You know? So,
Randy is the boss man.
them say me and the girls, them candy. Big up to Sunday. Yeah, Jamaica we say, you know, we live here, we not visit here. So my friends them forward, all the way from Australia, it's such a pleasure to know that you guys have been following. You know me, I said, I'm just going to show you around my beach today, a little bit, show you another beach, make you feel awesome. Awesomeness. Tony, it's a pleasure to meet you. Michie, that's enough.
Yeah, man.
All right. Everything plug in, people. No plug in. Keep your circle small. Stay in your circle. Extreme positivity. We live in Jamaica. Tell the woman in Pine Chance that we live here.